Hi, my name's Alan. I have been using Mighty Mule gate openers for well over 25 years, more like 27, 28 years. Almost 30 years, and I am thoroughly impressed with them. I want to recommend them to you, but let me show you what I've got going on first. We've lived out here for 40 years. I've been broken into twice, but I have never been broke into since I've had the Mighty Mule gate opener. Keep that gate closed, you keep people out. The safety and security of your family and your possessions are paramount, and this can absolutely help protect them. So this is it. This is the MM371W. It will do up to a 16-foot gate, and it will do up to a 550-pound gate, which is a pretty substantial gate. It does require a battery. I've got a marine battery here, and then I've got a solar panel on it there, charging it up. This is the guts of it. This is where you control the proximity of it, where it swings, where it stops. This is where you hook in a solar panel also. But this again is on a 16-foot gate. If you've got wooden posts, then it's just all you got to have is a couple of lag screws, and it's done. It's just real simple to install. There's something about the visibility of someone on the front of your property in a driveway where people are driving by that deters people from breaking into things if they're going to be spotted on the highway. So just having something simple up like a gate is a big deterrent, and having a gate opener just makes that deterrent so much more convenient for you. When I first started using these gate openers, someone came up here and pushed against the gate. We were going to church, they were pushing in, and we're going to try, they just thought they could push in on this gate. There were skid marks out here that you could tell they were trying to push against it. The old tubular gate was bent. That's one reason I got this gate. The tubular gate was bent, but the Mighty Mule did not bend, did not break, did not let them in. I couldn't believe it. A gate opener this inexpensive would do that for me, but it did. So it comes with transmitter. I've got one on my zero turn car, truck, and other truck. Bought some for my kids and stuff. And again, I've had these gate openers for about 30 years. I haven't had this gate opener for 30 years, but I think I've had 3. So that means about a 10-year lifespan. I've had this one probably 5 or 6 years. So give a great amount of service. As far as I'm concerned, you cannot beat the Mighty Mule. I am a multi-decade user of them, and I highly recommend them. They've got videos as to how to set them up. It's a no-brainer, and anybody can do it. Mighty Mule gate openers. So love it. Think you will too. And I hope that helps you make a decision.